The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus.
Bruh.
А может ночь не торопить и все сначала.
Music truly has the power to blur the distance between anyone.
Сначала повторить, о, как мне быть.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I do my move, you know I'm crazy and where are you?
No. 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 Sure, I'll pet you. But no treats.
Oh, no, 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 no. Блин, слышишь, как кричит? На ушки одела, одела ушки так голову, обруч. Он прям вообще воня. No, 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 no.
It looks cute that she has just farted. But unfortunately, it's a really bad time.
Sorry.
One of the key aims of this coalition is to massively...
Gordon, you know you're not allowed on the table. You know you're not allowed up there. Come on. Come on. Get down.
This must be the favorite game of this little orange kitten.
Öpmeyelim mi gıdışından? Hı? Yemeyeyim mi senin gıdışını? Yemeyeyim mi?
Merv, are you summoning the Great Bagagua? Merv, where are you? Merv, no. Keep going. Keep going. He's there. Merv, who have you summoned?
Cats can be quite goofy, yet their goofiness is surprisingly delightful.
มึงดันเขาก็เขียนว่าเลื่อนหยุดเอามือข้างเดียวไม่ใช่มึงประตูก็เขียนว่าเลื่อนนี่ก็ไม่อ่านไม่ใช่ผัก
My bag of things.
Hi buddy
Yeah, I've been here the whole time.
Steve's ready for bedtime. Are you ready for bedtime? Come on. Come on in here. Come on. Come on, bedtime. Bedtime.
Hast du mir schon wieder die Mülltonne umgeschmissen?
Weil ich einmal den Deckel nicht drauf mache? Du hast vor 5 Minuten gegessen. Und da ist nur Müll drinne. Plastikmüll. Warum machst du das denn immer?
Oreo, I love you. I love you. This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
All right, he's usually not this bad in the morning, but today is exceptional. Krieger, why are you so bad? I've never heard that noise come out of you.
Can I please use the bathroom? Is that okay? I will be out in a second, okay? Thank you.
Reuniting with best friends is exciting, yet a smart child knows what to do first.
What's the matter?
People who excel in learning foreign languages are definitely very smart.
You want to sleep? Let's go to bed.
Taking your child to the bed is always the hardest part of the night.
Looks like this little guy has been putting up with it for quite a while.
Come here. Come here.
Raising a cat is challenging already, but raising a chubby cat is exceptionally more difficult.
I'll add some more.
Tell me now, what's the price to pay for lying next to this cutie? Challenging cat in a sport is the biggest mistake of your career, sir.
Oh.
Cats suddenly acting grumpy. If they sound like this, they're definitely scolding you.
Bunny.
Yes? Mama catnip.
Baby! It's bedtime. Yeah, it's bedtime. You have to go to your own bed. Because you're gonna keep me up all night. Yes, you are. You do it every time. Are you gonna go to sleep? Okay, I'll let you stay here. Yeah, I'll let you stay if you promise to not keep me up all night.
want to be home? Yeah.
One thing's for sure, this guy isn't a man of words only.
Yeah.
Do you have any words of wisdom today? Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. I am, thank you.
If you're happy and you know what, say meow. If you're happy and you know what, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know what, say meow. Good.